start us off?
With what?
The intro.
Oh, well, we just swapped forks. I got the shit forks and you got the good forks.
Anyway, so this is my new bike. We've got a 36 factory on there and this shit, no one knows how to use it. And that's about it. Looks better. And then James just went downgraded to a LYRIK Select Plus. Not good. Alright, let's come to a conclusion and see what it's like at the end, hey?
Yeah.
Thanks guys.
Yes, sir.
Alright, so we just climbed up Terminated and we're about to go down Terminated in about 5 minutes approximately. You know, this is what the bike looks like now. Looks heaps better than what it was before. Sorry about the shade. There's James's bike. Can't really see it, but there you go, it's a LYRIK. And what are your thoughts on it at the moment?
Oh, it feels a little bit more dead. And like, oh shit, I don't really know how to explain it. The small bump's a bit shitter.
Yeah.
A little bit worse.
Mm-hmm.
When the front wheel like comes down onto the ground, there's like a bit of a jolt in the handlebars.
Yeah, well, I can relate because I feel the same. But for me, what's it called? It does absorb more small bumps, a lot easier, and it's more supple. But that's only climbing up though. We can't say too much till the next one. Oh shit, what up? Oh shit! Oh fuck, I was focusing on the tree the whole time. Anyway, those riders came down. Cool.
No. Back.
So we're here, James is trying to send this gap, but he doesn't want to send it, and I have a video of me doing this before. Breeze Harry is going to actually think about doing it.
I don't believe James does.
I'm telling you, it's not as bad as you think. It's not a white person. It's actually easier. So what they do, they come here, fucking whoop, launch up there, and because they have enough speed already here, and that's just a little roller, they just launch down there and you get fucking woo, and you fucking boosh.
I nearly died on that.
This is James sending gap. For now terms gap. Oh my gosh. How do you carve? Oh fucking yeah. He's doing it. Ah.
Oh my god! Wild now can Hill. We have final terms. Gap. Young boy.
Yeah, I like Blair's in the way.
Jump
Unless
over
you're
him.
gonna jump Blair, like, no, jump
And more people.
Nice one.
Do it, pussy! You wouldn't fucking know. Alright, go!
Oh my god!
my gosh. Oh my god. Ronnie J on the beat. we've concluded our ride and we've had our final judgments. So that is the Trek Slash there in 36 edition. Here's the YT Capra in Select Plus. James has actually told us that he rates it 7.5 and I personally rate it at an 8 or 9. Could be a 10 if set up properly. Overall, he says it's a good. Is it a good fork?
Oh yeah, it's alright. It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
It's better than expected, to be honest.
Better than you expected. So that's a good thing then. But personally on the fork and this one, it just felt much better. Thanks guys for watching. Till next time. If you have any questions, ask me. And James, and we'll answer it. Hey James.
Hello.
We'll answer the questions.
Yeah, we will.
Yep,
Any
cool.
questions?
Alright, now sign us off.
Thank you for watching Asian Sens. I don't know. You're welcome.
Peace out.